Hey, Trish.
Hi, Gary. Sorry I'm late. I had to avoid some people. You have the money?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Good. It took some time, but I got what you asked for. Everything all right?
Yeah, everything's fine.
What do you need that for anyway?
Don't ask.
All right, whatever. And by the way, you never got it from me.
Bye, Trish.
Well, I'm waiting. Pussy.
Gary! You still here, Gary?
Sorry, Doc. Yeah, I'm still here.
Still taking walks?
Who knows? These days, just trying to move one leg at a time.
Well, consider our meetings are getting fewer and farther in between. I'm still required to ask.
I'm still taking the pills.
Very good. That's what we like.
I don't know. Is it really so bad to play chess with someone?
No, not as long as it's with someone.
Yeah, right. I tend to forget.
Well, try not to. We want you healthy. What about your writing? How's that coming along?
It's a work in progress, but it's my best yet, I feel.
That's great, as long as you're back to doing what you love.
Hey, man. I'm still waiting for a play.
Not now. I'm busy.
What's that, Gary?
What? Nothing.
Anything interesting happen over the weekend?
Yeah, actually. I met someone.
Very nice. What's her name?
Her name is Mia.
Well, she sounds wonderful. Have you been seeing her often?
Since our last meeting, we've been seeing each other. In fact, I'm supposed to see her tonight.
Well, it sounds like you two are really hitting it off. What does she do for a living?
She's training to be a masseuse.
Is she enjoying it?
She's the best. I don't think she likes her boss, though.
What do you mean?
Just a real jerk. You know? All he cares about is money. I think it's a control thing.
He can't be all bad.
I think I'm falling for her.
That's good, but does she know it?
No.
Then there. I think you know what you have to do. Well, we're out of time. So, when we meet again, can you bring some written pages of what you've been working on?
Yeah, I'll do that, Doc.
$1,000, man? Where's my fucking money?
It's these cheap-ass motherfuckers who won't pay more money.
Shut the fuck up. Ain't no excuse I'm gonna take. You bitches get back out there and don't come back to come with some real fucking money. Go! Mia, you don't go nowhere, baby. I need to talk to you. I think you've been spending too much time with that one guy.
Gary? He's harmless. He's actually kinda cute.
Harmless? What? It's the creepy ones that are bad for business.
He's sweet, alright? He's not like the rest of these cocksuckers that come up in here.
Fuck that! You this Gary guy's hoe or something now? Last time I checked, you a White Thunder tail, bitch.
Up yours! You know, I've really had it with this jealousy shit. I'll fuck who I wanna fuck.
You ain't going nowhere. Remember what happened last time you defied me, bitch? This time you're getting fed to the fucking wolves.
No, please, please. I'm sorry, I was just kidding. I was just kidding. I was doing it. No! Please, please, please. I won't do it again. I was just kidding. I wouldn't do that to you. I'm sorry, please. Please.
Hey, let her go.
This motherfucker right here? We were just talking about you.
Good things, I hope.
Gary, get out of here. He's crazy.
Shut up, bitch, before I really hurt you. Mia is no longer available to you now. Fuck off.
Fuck off. She's coming with me.
Boy, you must be crazy. You about to get hurt.
Mia.
Gary. 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 It's medicine time.
Dude. Quit messing around.
Gary, it's time to get your things. Doc's got something special for you.
Guess we'll play next time.
You ready, Gary?
Hi, Gary.
I lead a lonely life of solitude and pain. Depression haunting any chance I hope inside my brain. I fantasize with you despite my heart is on my sleeve. I'm overdrawn, my mind is gone, I think we better leave. Bad, bad, bad.